Hey guys, Alisha here. I did it again. I went another 2 weeks without making a video because I wanted to see what would happen. So I do not make these videos in any way, shape, or form to brag because there is not much to brag about right now anyway. Okay, so I am in the new YouTube studio, which is the beta, and this is my channel at analytics, which is telling me everything. These analytics are so in-depth, I'm surprised that YouTube does not actually charge to use these. So the reason I do these videos is to inspire everyone to start a YouTube channel on whatever it is that you are passionate about, because it is easy money, honey. Okay, so right now it's showing that my current subscribers are 7,467, which that is growing every single day. It's showing that I've gained 792 subscribers in the last 28 days when I got my analytics or the email from YouTube Creator Studio or YouTube Creator. I gained 851 subscribers last month. So this is telling me that I'm actually going up. I'm going up on everything here. Watch time is up 2%. Views are up 2%. My estimated revenue is at $410.22, which is up 7%. So if I go over here to the analytics, this kind of shows me here my estimated revenue again, $410.22. It just shows all of this. And by the way, this is always behind about a day, which is September 10th. The reason I'm doing this video today on September 11th is because YouTube cuts off on the 11th, and then you can actually see what you made in Google AdSense. So this is actually showing a day behind on this. So if I go down here, it even tells me which videos were the top earning videos that I had. So my top videos were how to start making planners, 26 digital items that you can sell on Etsy, how to make and sell SVG files, how to make and sell printables on Etsy, and how to make digital clip art, which, by the way, I hope you stay tuned for my next video because I am going to do a follow-up on that video and show you some other cool things that you can make into clip art when you do not know how to paint or draw. So this is just really cool here, how it shows you everything. It tells you on, if I click here on revenue, it just says that my estimated monetized playbacks are up 6%, and I am still getting a high CPM rate, which is cost per mil. And that, a lot of people think it stands for clicks per minute. It's actually cost per million views. So this is how much the ads are paying me for how many clicks per million views that I'm actually getting. So $22.74, and this fluctuates every day. I checked it a couple days ago, and this was at $23.98. So it does fluctuate every single day, depending upon what the ads are. And it even tells me here how much I made on each day. So like on Saturday, August 24th, I made $22.29. On August 28th, I made $21.36. I bottomed out here, and on Saturday, August 31st, I made $9.38. I'm not sure if that was Labor Day. So it just goes up and down, and all this adds up. So my best day was Saturday, August 24th of this month. So once again, it does tell you here your monthly estimated revenue. It's even telling me right now for September so far, and we're only on the 11th, I'm already at $135.99. But what's important here is if you look it has increased every single month. In April, $242.80. May, $255.19. June, $388. July, $403. And in August. So let's hop over here to Google AdSense. This is what I will be getting on by direct deposit on September 21st. So every month, Google AdSense will direct deposit your money into your checking account unless the 21st falls on a weekend or a holiday. They will deposit it on the next business day. So this is just a nice little bonus in the middle of the month and something that keeps me motivated to keep going. I am working on something else that's going to go along with my YouTube channel, which is my membership site, and I'm not giving out the details of that membership site yet. More details to come on that. So back over here to the analytics. Let's jump over here to reach. And this tells me my traffic source types. So it's telling me that most of my traffic came from a YouTube search. The next is suggested videos. That's where you want to be. YouTube has an algorithm where they determine if your video is going to be in the suggested videos. So if you're watching a similar video from a competitor, then your video might show in the suggested videos and they may click off of it and click into your video. Channel pages, browse features. So that tells me on that. We'll go to the audience. This tells me that I have 57.2% of people watching my videos that are not subscribed to my channel. This even tells me how many people have the bell notification turned on. So it looks like 23.1% have the bell notification turned on. This tells me what age, and it looks like the largest group is 25 to 34 years, and then 35 to 44 years, and then next 45 to 54 years. But I do have people from all over the country watching my videos: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Australia. If I click on see more, these analytics are just amazing. So yeah, I have even Morocco, Indonesia, Philippines, people from all over the world watching. So when I click, I'm going to click on, obviously my audience is biggest in the United States and the UK. So if I click on United States, this tells me my biggest viewers are coming from Texas, Florida, and California. Kentucky, I guess all my friends here in Kentucky are watching, in North Carolina. So that's just telling me my geography on that. So once again, this is just something to get you motivated. If you have not yet started your YouTube channel, I highly recommend that whatever you're passionate about. I have not received a bill one time from YouTube for using their platform. So if I click over here on lifetime, this is going to tell me my revenue, and it looks like I have earned $2,400 in the lifetime, or $2,415.77 is what I've earned lifetime. And I just recently got monetized about 4.5 months ago. So this is not bad for just getting started. So I hope this inspires you to start your YouTube channel. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you want to learn about how to make money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure to stay tuned for my next videos that will be about how to make clip art with photos. It's going to be a follow-up to a video I had done before. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.